Namaste. I'm Rosalie, and this is a short, guided meditation designed to cultivate a sense of deep inner peace within you. To begin, find a comfortable shape and close your eyes. And notice the breath in the body. With every exhale, allow any tension to drain from the body and from the mind. Might you imagine the mind like a vast blue sky? Allow any thoughts to pass through like fluffy white clouds drifting through the sky. Might you tap into the space of stillness and deep inner peace within you, basking here for a few more breaths. And perhaps setting an intention to allow any benefits of this short practice to follow you into the rest of your day. I wish you the most beautiful day. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. May you be free. Namaste.